Welcome to PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy, Avadi, Chennai. Today we are going to study sixth problem of Fourier series. Obtain the Fourier series to represent the function f of x is equal to modulus x in the interval minus pi less than x less than plus pi, and deduce that 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus etc., which is equal to 5 square divided by 8. So in general, modulus function is an even function. Here the limit is, the interval is minus pi to plus pi. If the limit is minus pi to plus pi, we have to find the given function is either odd or even. Okay, so therefore minus pi to plus pi is given. We have to check the given function is even or odd. But a modulus, always modulus function is even function. Given f of x is equal to modulus x minus pi less than x less than plus pi. Modulus x can be written as minus x, the limit is minus pi to 0, plus x, the limit is 0 to pi. So f of x is equal to modulus x, f of minus x. This is the rule to find the even function. F of minus x is equal to modulus minus x, which is equal to plus x. Plus x is equal to f of x. So therefore even function. Even function means directly we have to write Bn is equal to 0. So therefore the Fourier series is f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx. Next you have to find the value of a0 an. A0 value is equal to, so a0 is equal to 2 divided by pi integral over the limit 0 to pi f of x dx. So for f of x we have to write simply x, because what we are writing in the limit in the interval 0 to pi. So 0 to pi means x value we have to write. So therefore a0 is equal to 2 divided by pi integral over the limit 0 to pi f of x dx, which is equal to 2 divided by pi integral over the limit 0 to pi f of x is given, so x into dx, which is equal to 2 divided by pi integral x dx. If you integrate it, x square by 2, the limit is 0 to pi. For x you have to apply the value of pi. So 2 divided by pi square by 2. So pi square divided by pi, 2 divided by 2 cancel, pi square divided by pi will be pi. So a0 value is equal to pi. An is equal to 2 divided by pi, the formula integral over the limit 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx, which is equal to 2 divided by pi integral over the limit 0 to pi x cos nx dx. So there are two terms. As usual, if there are two terms, you have to use Bernoulli's formula. So integral uv dx is equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus etc. So u is equal to x, v is equal to cos nx. U dash is equal to 1, u double dash is equal to 0. These are differentiation. X if you are differentiating 1, 1 if you are differentiating 0. V is equal to cos nx. V1 is equal to sin nx by n. Because cos nx if you are integrating sin nx by n. Sin nx by n if you are integrating minus cos nx by n square, that is V2. So you have to use in the formula u v1 minus u dash v2. An is equal to 2 divided by pi into x sin nx by n minus u dash 1 v2 minus cos nx by n square. Limit is 0 to pi. We have to apply the limit. An is equal to 2 divided by pi x into sin nx by n plus cos nx by n square. Limit is 0 to pi. For x you have to apply upper limit pi minus For x, you have to apply the lower limit 0. So 2 divided by pi into pi sin n pi divided by n plus cos n pi divided by n square minus, for x you have to apply lower limit 0 first term, second term will be cos 0 by n square, which is equal to 2 divided by pi into first term will become 0 sin n pi. So cos n pi divided by n square minus cos 0 by n square. So 2 divided by pi n square, cos n pi can be written as, the formula is minus 1 power n, cos 0 1. So minus 1 power n minus 1. If n is even, minus 1 power n. This n, if you are taking 2, 4, 6, the value will be minus 1 square, minus 1 power 4, minus 1 power 6. The value is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So if n is even, any even number for n, if you are taking any even number for n, the total value will become 0. If n is odd, minus 1 power 1, minus 1 power 3, minus 1 power 5, it will become minus 2. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4. So minus 4 divided by pi n square if n is odd. So a naught value we have got, a n value we have got. So after that, you have to substitute in the Fourier series. F of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to odd to infinity, because we cannot write 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity means one odd number as well as even number. But even number, the value is 0, a n value. Odd number, there is some value. So that's why f of x is equal to a naught by 2. A naught is pi by 2 plus summation n equal to odd to infinity minus 4 divided by pi n square cos nx. So we have to deduce. For f of x, you have to write modulus x, that is given in the problem. By taking x equal to 0, cos, therefore I am taking x equal to 0. Where is x you have to apply? Modulus 0. So 0. It is equal to pi by 2 minus 4 divided by pi summation n equal to r to infinity 1 by n square cos 0, because x equal to 0. Cos 0 1. Pi by 2, if it goes to left hand side, it will become as minus pi by 2. It is equal to minus 4 by pi summation n equal to r to infinity 1 by n square. So minus pi by 2 into minus pi by 4, which is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus etc. N equal to odd to infinity means odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. So for n, you have to apply 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 like this. So 5 square divided by 8 is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus 1 by 7 square.